That's the right bite right there.
I dare you think.
Woo! That's the bite we were looking for all day, right there. Really important to keep that line as tight as possible. Maximum tension, you don't want to pull hooks. This is a powerful, powerful animal. So I'm using this glove as leverage to get as much line in as possible. Get as much tension in the line as possible.
That way and around. Okay. Yeah, you're good.
So we got everyone working as a team. Scott's on the motor. We're gonna do what we said and ditch that anchor.